Hi guys. Hey, I wanted to do a quick shop card shout out to Marcello at Mars Garage. Got this in the mail the other day. Actually, it was last week, and I've just been busy. I haven't been able to really get anything done model wise or whatnot. So, um, yeah, very cool, man. Get a card, and he does all the artwork on these too, I believe. Very cool. Um, Yeah, Jody, thanks for your support to the channel. I'm honored to give you a Mars Garage shop card. Really enjoy your channel. Cool, man. Thank you. Thank you, Marcello. Very cool. Then also got a sticker. This one here, same as the shop card, but it's a sticker on the back. Very cool. Very cool. I will definitely start getting a place together to put shop cards and things like that. Once I get somewhat organized, my house like a freaking tornado blew up 2 or 3 different times. So fun. But anyway, guys, yeah, I just wanted to do a quick shop card shout out, and yeah, I'll be getting a update on the Whirlybird build with the Apache helicopter here shortly, and a couple other things. The first responder um, group build, got a lot of that stuff to get happening. So, anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and like I said, big shout out to Mars. I'll leave a link to his channel and go check it out because he does a lot of really cool rust and stuff and rat rods and all that kind of thing. So, yeah, take care, guys. Thanks. Hope you're all doing well. Thanks. Bye bye.